Imagine walking into a factory. But there's no human in sight. Just machines. And they're thinking. Making decisions. Adjusting to every change. Without a single human command. Sounds unreal, right? But it's happening right now. Factories are evolving faster than ever before. And the reason? Artificial intelligence. The invisible force behind the next industrial revolution. Today, we're diving into how AI is taking over factory floors. From predicting machine failures to building entire cars, without a single person turning a wrench. And if you stick around till the end, you'll see the one tool that made me $100. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Alright, let's get real. When was the last time you thought about how things get made? The clothes you wear. The phone in your pocket. The car you drive. Every single thing was built in a factory. But the factories of today? They don't look like the old ones. They hum quietly. They glow with data screens. They learn, adapt, and even repair themselves. And that's thanks to AI. So, here's a question. What happens when a factory learns faster than its workers? What happens when it doesn't need people to manage it anymore? And, most importantly, what happens to us? That's what this story is all about. Welcome to the rise of AI in factories. It's the fourth industrial revolution, or as experts call it, Industry 4.0. But it's not just robots. It's data. It's algorithms. It's prediction. It's learning. It's AI running an empire of machines. Machines that never sleep. Machines that talk to each other. Machines that optimize production on their own. Crazy, right? But let's rewind. Once upon a time, factories were chaos. Noise. Sweat. Smoke. Human labor. Endless repetition. Then came electricity. Then automation. Then robotics. And now, AI. But here's what's new. These machines don't just move. They think. Let me explain. Imagine a robotic arm. It used to follow strict instructions. Pick this, move that. But if something went wrong, it stopped. Now, with AI, it detects the issue. Finds a solution. And keeps going. It learns from experience. That's next-level automation. Real-world example? Predictive maintenance. AI monitors machines 24/7. It listens for vibrations. It checks heat levels. It tracks performance. And before a machine breaks, AI says, "Hey, fix this part." Result? No downtime. No wasted hours. No lost profit. That's power. That's smart manufacturing. But here's the twist. Every time a task is automated, a job changes. And that's the part nobody talks about. Because AI isn't just creating efficiency. It's reshaping the workforce. The factory worker of tomorrow won't hold a wrench. They'll hold a tablet. They'll talk to machines. They'll interpret data. They'll guide robots. Human roles are shifting. But they're not disappearing. They're evolving. Think about it. Someone still has to train these eyes. Someone has to maintain them. Someone has to innovate. That's where opportunity lives. And smart workers are already learning new skills. From coding, to automation design, to AI monitoring. Because the future factory needs thinkers. Not just doers. And if you're one of them, you're already ahead. Now, let's talk numbers. Factories using AI are reducing downtime by up to 50%, increasing productivity by over 30%, and cutting costs dramatically. That's why companies are investing billions. Because whoever automates first, wins. Plain and simple. But not every story is perfect. Some factories struggle. Integration issues. Legacy machines. Cybersecurity risks. And resistance from workers. Because change is scary. But like it or not, it's coming. And faster than you think. Here's something wild. AI can now generate blueprints. Simulate production in virtual space. Optimize it before a single screw is turned. That's digital twin technology. And it's revolutionizing design and testing. What used to take months, now takes days. Even hours. AI doesn't just work harder, it works smarter. And this is only the beginning. Soon, factories will make real-time decisions on their own. Machines will order supplies automatically. Production lines will self-balance. Quality control will be instant. The factory itself will be intelligent. A living, breathing system. Coordinating thousands of tasks. Perfectly. Efficiently. Tirelessly. All powered by AI. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because I drop these AI stories every week. And if you want to stay ahead, hit that subscribe button. And ring the bell. Now, let's explore the human side. What does this mean for workers? Well, history repeats itself. Every revolution replaces some jobs, but creates others. The steam engine replaced horsemen. The computer replaced typists. Now AI replaces repetition and rewards innovation. The smartest move? Learn to work with AI. Not against it. Engineers are becoming AI trainers. Technicians are becoming analysts. Managers are becoming data interpreters. Entire factories are retraining staff. It's a partnership. Human intuition plus machine precision. Together, they're unstoppable. But don't be fooled. This shift won't wait for anyone. The companies that adapt, win. The ones that resist, fade away. So, what should you do? Pay attention. Learn the tools. Study automation trends. Follow AI breakthroughs. Because knowledge is your best defense. And your biggest opportunity. Okay, back to the tech. Ever heard of collaborative robots? Cobots, for short. They don't replace humans, they assist them. They learn your rhythm. They adjust to your movement. They work beside you, safely. Efficiently. Constantly learning. That's not science fiction. That's happening today. Cobots are reshaping manufacturing. Turning humans and machines into true partners. Imagine a world where every worker has a robotic assistant. That's the AI factory dream. And it's closer than you think. Because major manufacturers are already there. Tesla. BMW. Foxconn. They've built smart factories powered by AI. Lines of machines that self-optimize. Data flowing like electricity. Efficiency like never before. And here's the kicker, this isn't just for big corporations anymore. Even small businesses can tap into it. Tools like cloud-based AI dashboards are leveling the playing field. Which brings us to that tool I promised. The one that made me $100. It's a factory optimization AI. It scans performance data, finds hidden inefficiencies, and helps you fix them. Simple, powerful, profitable. Start small, watch results grow. But remember, tools are only as good as the humans who use them. The real power lies in you. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. So subscribe now. Hit that bell. And I'll see you in the next one.